kum shibinda ka jing persang ban penlong yang ka jela Meghalaya ban light na ka jing jelai ki bangop ha ka jing di penbuai le new Droks ha ka arpau trek rumpang arjar pusan ka office trek ka mission director ka Drok reduction elimination and action mission dream but ka all fit forum kila penlong ya ka jing peliu jingmut Halor ka tei ka phang ya ka balalong ha state convention center Shillong hakani ka singi menteri katnat social welfare ba Paul Lyngdoh ulawan management kumukong san ha ka jinon lang ba Francis G Kharsieng Mission Director ka Dream Usampat Kumar IAS Principal Secretary katnat Social Welfare kinong tray ka All Fit Forum ka Manba Foundation na Lord Kyrwoh dia haba jingkran ba Paul loong ba sarkar kala dapan kaya load ik jingnon kam na kabenta bante alakam ya ka jingwan rung Droks bat banwad ikilat tingrap ikilanot ban light na new Droks Ulong balada omla ban le ni ban pen Seisoh Halor ka Jingïakynduh pementa kasngi kan salong kum ka kam Runar ban pen lutka ya ka Paul jong ka forum bat ya ka sarkar kumjo.
Members have mentioned that we have been meeting repeatedly, but you have not seen any results. I say this is totally unfounded. This is totally baseless. We have done our bit, and I am confident that we are here not to score brownie points, not to say who has done more and who has done less. We are here with a sense of mission, and we are here to work as a team. When we work as a team, we are supposed to march to one single goal. Let us not, therefore, try to score brownie points, show the government as ineffectual, just talking, not doing. This is not true. We have invited you here in order to take this process and this mission forward, because we are truly committed to the cause of a drug-free Meghalaya. So if any of you is under the impression that we have only been talking, I would like to share what the government has done since our last meeting of faith leaders held last year. Number one, in the month of December, just less than a month back, we have constituted a dedicated team of the ENT F. All these years, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force has been doing multiple policing duties apart from drug reduction and dealing with crimes in drugs. But Francis has just retired from service. He would vouch for this fact that all this while police officers and police constables and their juniors have been not only dealing with drugs but attend to other duties, law and order, crime, attending to programs, VIP protection, etc., etc. Only last December, we constituted a dedicated ENT F team with a strength of around 40 persons that will deal solely with the issue of drugs. We have the Honorable Chief Minister inaugurated the unit. They have a police station of their own, and we have procured equipment for this group that will deal solely with the issue of drugs. This ENT F is being led by an officer of the rank of SP, with 2 additional SPs assisting him, and the entire team is roughly about 40 in terms of manpower. We have not talked. 2, in the last 1 year, Meghalaya has changed the course from implementing the NDPS, the outdated version of the NDPS, to what we call now a SPITS NDPS, which also has provision for preventive detention of repeated offenders. In the past, this has not happened, which is why The general complaint is that the same person who is detained and arrested, you can again see the same guy a couple of weeks later. Already 4 persons have gone under preventive detention under PUT's NDPS, and the term of custody ranges from 1 year to 3 years. We have done it. 3, community-based initiative. After our interaction with various stakeholders, and especially with the Dorbar Shnongs, one of the Dorbars has come forward to offer a plot of land, and that is the Maulai Town Dorbar, for which financial assistance has come from the government of Meghalaya through the DREAM mission. We have done it, we have not just talked about it. 5, people have been asking as to what happens to the drugs that were seized, whether these are being resold by the police, whether these are being hidden somewhere. If you recall, just a month back, there were 2 episodes of incineration of seized drugs, and the latest instance was attended by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and the Home Minister of Meghalaya, and this took place at one of the cement plants, which again we have to report and get permission from the court to get the incineration organized. We have not just talked about it, we have done. 7, detection of drugs at the entry and exit points. This involves purchase of vehicles, scanner vehicles, which are not readily available in Meghalaya. 1 vehicle is in the process of being installed, but we need 2, one at the entry point and the other at the exit point of the state of Meghalaya. 8, there is a request that we need to press into service canine unit, dogs, trained specifically as sniffers, and Bart Francis has moved this proposal forward. I had approved that proposal yesterday. We have not just been talking, we have been doing. 8, the revival of village defense parties. We have reinitiated the creation of more VDPs. As some of you might be aware, there are just 11 VDPs in the city of Shillong, with a population that is nearing 7 lakhs. Just 11 VDPs alone will not do. And to incentivize these VDPs, we have arranged provisions like uniforms, torches, and also the financial incentive has been raised from rupees 800, which was the prevailing rate, to rupees 3,000 per volunteer per month. If we do not act, meeting you here is a criminal waste of your time and a criminal waste of our time as well. So let's take this that we are here as a team. Let's not try to score self-goals. Let's not try to prove that I am smarter than he is, I am doing more than he is, I am reaching more than he is. Our attitude should be, we are here against a major common enemy. We need to eradicate that enemy through teamwork. This is a continuous process, and we would like to see that the sooner the better. The sooner we are able to achieve our dream of a drug-free Meghalaya, the better it will be for every one of us. We will need your constant support, engagement, inputs, and positive criticism, constructive criticism. And I also have spoken out about what the government has done in order for you to know that we are taking the matter the challenge that we are facing very, very seriously. And we would continue to do so, for which we require the support of each one of you.
Hakane ka singi kala dan ru ka jinga ajing mot na kalyang kinoi simanta kibla simru ya kalat ban bu jingkili Halor ka jingjileu drugs bat ban karpat ya ka sorkar bakan wat lat kumno bakan ajing rap ikilanot kibadan haki jaka sumar.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap ka sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lyngdoh Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.